to a brand new video. In today's Christmas video, I am gonna answer your questions about Vlogmas. So it could be how do I do Vlogmas, how you can do Vlogmas, and just loads of questions about Vlogmas and how does small YouTube creators do it, or just YouTube creators in general. So let's get into the video. So the first question is still kind of related to Vlogmas, but it's this question here, and that is it best to wait until Vlogmas to do a variety, I can't say that word, just loads of different content videos. Now, me personally, I don't have a specific niche. Now, I specifically try and upload more disabled videos about my disability. But except from that, my niches are vlogging, lifestyle. All around you would say my niche is lifestyle. But if you put my niches in category, it'll be fashion and beauty, disabled channel, and lifestyle, because I'm vlogging. So I've got 3 niches, and I do upload videos of all of them all year round. So you could do it all year round, but I find that type of content goes better with Vlogmas, because like if you're doing fashion, you can do winter outfit, Christmas Day outfit, New Year's Eve outfit ideas. You can just change your content into Christmas if you do so many non-Christmas content. So like I said, I do disabled videos or disability videos, I do vlogs, I do fashion, I do makeup, I do lifestyle. So I can just turn all of them into Christmas content. But that's not saying that you can't do Vlogmas if you don't do different niches, like loads of different niches. I still class my videos as Vlogmas, but I have heard from someone who I've subscribed to only like a week ago, who did how to prepare for Vlogmas. She also did a video on she calls it Vlogmas. So instead of putting up loads of vlogs, she puts up videos. But the reason why I call it Vlogmas, because I do a mix of videos like this and vlogs. Last year, it was technically classed as Vlogmas. So it just means videos with Christmas at the end. Vlogmas. So you could also do that. You don't have to do Vlogmas. You could still call it Vlogmas so it gets more views and it will be still Christmas related. There's loads of people who are still doing Vlogmas this year that isn't uploading every single day. So you can still do Vlogmas, but do it in your own way. And you could probably still do it even if you don't have multiple niches. That was a very long question. Next question is, how long should Vlogmas videos be? Now that's up to you. I can't tell you don't upload a 2-minute video. Don't upload a 35-minute video. Everyone's got their range of how long they like their videos. My videos probably are from 4 minutes to 30. I've never done a longer video than 30 minutes. And if I have, I've just not edited that down properly. But that's not saying you can do a longer video. My audience doesn't watch as long as that video. Like, they will not watch a full-on 30-minute video. Some people might, some viewers might. Let me know in the comments if you watch all of my video the whole way through. But some people might. But because I'm a small creator, not all of my viewers, not all of my subscribers watch my video all the way through. So I try and shorten my video the best that I can. So most of my videos like are around 10 to 15 minutes or less. It's near 10 minutes. Like they're about like 8 or 7 minutes. That's the lowest I probably go for like vlogs. It also depends on the video or the vlog. Like there's some vlogs that are only 7 minutes or 6 minutes. But if I put in that much content in it, it still can be a good vlog. Even though it's been shortened. So it depends on the video and it depends on your audience. Like I said, for my analytics, my audience right now does not watch the whole video. My average view direction, that is how long most of your viewers have watched your video, it's getting higher. The last video got about like 4 minutes and that was a 12-minute video. So it's getting higher, but it also depends on the video. So check your analytics and also it's what works for you. I don't want to put a specific, it has to be 10 minutes and 10 seconds long, because it doesn't. It's up to you and how your audience likes it. Next question isn't really a question, but reasons why you should do Vlogmas is: one, if you feel comfortable. That's the first thing I want to say. If you feel comfortable, do it. If you don't. But to start off Vlogmas, you could just ease your way into it. Like last year was my first ever year of doing Vlogmas, and I mostly did makeup videos. I mostly did fashion videos. This year, it has not been stressful. Don't want to say it's been stressful. It's been hectic. Let's put it that way. Because I've loved every second of it so far. But it's the amount of videos and editing you have to do, even if you love it. I love editing. I love making videos. I love creating content. But it's about 20, well, some people do 24 days, but then some do 25 days. Obviously, they vlog. But in my case, I'm doing vlogs and main channel content. So I'm putting up vlogs, but also I'll have what I got for Christmas. So I would do 25 days of Vlogmas. But it depends if I'm going to put up the vlog on what I got for Christmas on the 25th, Christmas Day, on the 26th, on Boxing Day. So that's how I do it. Everyone else is different. Like I said, most people who actually vlog all Vlogmas or December would do up to the 24th or the 25th if they feel comfortable vlogging their Christmas Day. I didn't really answer the question, but if you feel comfortable, do it. And another reason to do Vlogmas is it does get your confidence up. You can learn loads of editing skills. You can get the confidence to be on camera. You can gain more subscribers, more views, more watch hours. They all add up to the chance of you getting paid by YouTube. And also, like, if you love interacting with your viewers or subscribers, you get to interact with them every single day. Like, I don't know what other reasons there is to convince you to do Vlogmas, but let me know if you're going to do it next year. You could actually do the 12 days of Vlogmas on the 12th. That would be a good idea. Now, again, this isn't a question, but someone wanted to know what it's like to do Vlogmas in 2 years in a row. Because if you did not know, this is my second Vlogmas. And this year I'm actually doing vlogs. Next year I might actually do like more vlogs than main channel videos. So I'm not like pre-filming loads, but it's good. It's good. I feel like I'm more organised with this Vlogmas than I was last Vlogmas, but I think that's because last Vlogmas I only did main channel videos. I didn't add vlogs into them, like into Vlogmas. This is sounding so confusing. But last year I didn't do any vlogs. This year I'm doing vlogs. So it's like knowing what to film for the vlog and then what content I want to create. Because obviously I want to vlog the behind the scenes. But also I want to keep it a surprise. So it's kind of hard. And also with scheduling videos, if I vlog like today, I'll vlog today and I'm going to vlog tomorrow. But I don't know if I'm going to have a main channel video going up on Friday or if I'm going to have a vlog going up Friday. So I kind of need to wait on the day before or on the morning of the Vlogmas 8. I scheduled that this morning or like late at night. So last year I was able to schedule just loads of videos, but this year I need to try and like mix up the vlogs and the main channel videos, because I know you guys love vlogs more than main channel content. Some of you like main channel content more than vlogs, but I want to do a mix of both, and I think I'll always do that. I might do more vlogs next year, but I think I will too add some main channel videos as well, like this one, because for people who don't really like watching my vlogs but like watching other things, what I do, they might not even watch my vlog that year if I do the whole December or most of December just vlogging. They'll get bored of it and they'll unsubscribe. So it's also what your viewers are like. If you want to do Videomas or Vlogmas, or just call it Vlogmas but do a bit of vlog and a bit of main channel video. But it's been good. I'm so glad I've done it this year again and you guys are loving it. I can tell by the comments, by the like, by the analytics, and I'm so grateful. Last and final question. No guys, I copied the same question twice. Why am I like this? But that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope this answered all your questions, guys, about Vlogmas from a small YouTuber opinion. Like, this is what I think about Vlogmas. And obviously I'm not one of those big vloggers or people who do Vlogmas like Alicia Marie or Remy. Like, I do my best. I go all out there as much as I can, but hopefully in years to come my Vlogmases will get better and better every year and we'll gain more and more subscribers and grow our little family. I believe we can hit 600 subscribers this Vlogmas. Or prove me wrong, we might hit more than that. But if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you tomorrow with a vlog or a main channel video. Bye!